Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Boardwalk Village to show you a deluxe studio with a boardwalk view. This view is really pretty. We've got the water and the boardwalk, and it's a beautiful day, so we can't wait to show that to you.
And this room does sleep up to 5 people. However, once we pull all the beds out, it got a little bit cramped, so you may not want to bring 5 adults, but definitely if you've got kids involved, 5 people will totally fit in this room.
So let's go check it out.
So in the entryway here, we've got a little mirror there on the left. And then we kind of come into our bathroom and kitchenette area. Over on the left is the kitchenette. This has a full-size coffee maker, a microwave, and toaster. In the cabinets up above, we have some paper plates and cups and plasticware. And then down below, we also have a mini fridge. And this mini fridge does have a small freezer section up there in the top. And then behind me, we have the bathroom area where you'll find the closet. Inside the closet, they've got the in-wall safe, of course, the closet rod and the extra pillow and blankets. And then we also have a little luggage rack and an iron and ironing board back there in the back. The vanity is a single vanity, but it has a pretty large countertop, so a lot of space to spread out here. And there's some cabinets and drawers down below where you'll find things like the hairdryer and have some other storage space. This mirror is pretty cool. It's got these bubbles on it. Very much reminds me of like the ocean or being underwater, even though it's a boardwalk theme. I guess that kind of fits. And then in the light, we have some really fun little hidden Mickeys there at the top of the lights. I absolutely love those. I love how subtle they are. I'd totally put that in my house. And then over here, this door leads us to the other half of the bathroom where you'll find the toilet as well as the tub and shower. Now, this shower does not have a detachable head in it. It is just a regular shower head, and they still have the individual bottled soap and shampoo and conditioner here as of right now. Now, heading out into the main part of the room. As we mentioned, this does sleep 5 people. You've got a single pull-down bed there where the table is. You have a queen-size bed over here, the real bed that we have. And then we have a pull-out couch that pulls out into a full-size bed. Now over here on the left, we have another little cabinet. And inside here, there are a few drawers. So instead of a dresser, they just have this over here with 4 drawers inside if you'd like to unpack while you're here. And of course we have the flat screen TV up on the wall. This room does have a ceiling fan as well. I know that's important to some people. In between the 2 beds, we have a small nightstand that does have a couple of those USB outlets built in, as well as the wall outlets. And they also have those built in above the pull down bed here on the wall underneath the TV. And then on the wall behind the couch, we have a couple different carnival pictures. And I'm sorry, but these carnival pictures just make me think about the creepy clown pool that's out back. And I don't really want to think about that when I'm staying here because that pool is a little bit terrifying. Let's head out and see the boardwalk view. But before we do, we got to pull out this curtain and take a look because they did put some hidden Mickeys right there in the pattern on the curtain. So make sure you check those out while you're here. Now this room, as we said, is a boardwalk view. We are on the 2nd floor, so we've got a pretty good balcony here. Decent size. Got a couple chairs and a little table. And we are and a little table. And we are right here on the boardwalk in front of some of the games, the basketball and other games that they have here. We're just next door to the Big River Grill, which is that little awning right there. They usually have some tables set up outside certain times of the year, right down from the dance hall. So I would say with a boardwalk view, this is definitely delivering on the promise of a boardwalk view. And you've got Yacht Club and Beach Club across Crescent Lake there. So this is pretty cool. Very happy to have this view here. It's going to be pretty cool at nighttime once everything kind of comes alive. Let's head back in the room real quick and see the beds pulled out. So Alyssa has been in here pulling out the beds for us so we can see the pull-out couch bed. It is a pull-out mattress, so it's not super thick, but it's decent. It's not too bad of a mattress. And the pulled-down bed is a twin, so you probably don't want to have anyone too big on there just because of the length. It seems a little bit short, but it is a twin-size bed there, and we have little baby Dumbo sleeping there. I guess that kind of goes with the circus theme and the creepy clown, so we'll allow it. Dumbo and Timothy Mouse there. So that is going to conclude our tour of this deluxe studio with a boardwalk view at Boardwalk Villas. We hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give us a thumbs up down below and leave us a comment with any questions you have. And while you're down there, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified whenever we have new videos come out.
And for more information about Walt Disney World and the Walt Disney World Resorts, head to herewiththeears.com. We've got so much other information for you there. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.